In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a password on Windows 11. Setting a password is one of the simplest and most important ways to protect your computer. It helps keep your files, apps, and personal information safe from anyone who might try to use your device without your permission. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along, even if you're new to Windows 11. First, start on your desktop. Move your mouse to the bottom of the screen and click the Start button. This is the Windows icon, usually in the center of the taskbar. When the Start menu opens, look for the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear, and click it. This will open the main settings window where you can control most of your PC's features. In the Settings window, find and click on the option labeled Accounts. This section is where you manage your user account, sign-in options, and other related settings. Once you're in the Accounts section, look at the menu on the left or in the main panel and select Sign-in options. This is where Windows lets you choose how you sign in, including with a password, PIN, or other methods. Now, in the Sign-in options area, find the section labeled Password. If you haven't set one up yet, it will usually say that a password is not required. Click on the button that says Add. A new window will appear asking you to create your password. Here you'll need to type your new password in the first box. Choose something that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. It's a good idea to mix letters, numbers, and symbols if you can. In the second box, retype the same password to confirm it. This helps make sure you didn't accidentally mistype anything. Below that, you'll see a box for a password hint. This is optional, but very helpful. Type a short hint that will remind you of your password without giving it away to other people. When you're done, click the Next button, and then click Finish to save your new password. From now on, when you sign in to Windows 11, you'll be asked to enter this password. Make sure you remember it or store it somewhere safe. That's all you need to do to set a password on Windows 11.